Welcome back. Today we will see how to add name and date in the photograph. Observe here, this is a dummy photograph I have considered. Now to add name and date in the photograph, open the photo in Paint and click on this, then drag here, then you can write your name. Let us consider I am going to write the name John Kennedy. Okay, now if you want to remove this underline, select this, and here if you observe that, click on U, then you are going to, okay, remove the underline. Now here write the date. Let us consider I'm going to write the date, today's 2021. Then select this here, make it as a center. Now if you want an opaque one, then you can click here this, then you can observe here there is a opaque one which will visible to you very cleanly. If you want to reduce this, you can able to click this, then if you select, if you want to reduce the font size, then you can, is it clear, like this you can able to reduce the font size also. Then here if you observe clearly, okay, this is the way you have to add name and date in the photograph. If you want to change to transparent, you can able to click on this. If you want to change the color, you can able to click, you can able to select the color. Okay, any color you can able to take the any color, remove the underline, then you can able to select any color. In this way you can able to select, black is very visible. Is it clear? Now if you want a transparent and opaque, then you can able to click on this, then it is very easy to you. In this way you can able to edit, right? Okay, if you want to in this way you can able to edit. Is it clear? Now that is a very important point here. And one more thing here, if you want to reduce the size, that means let us consider I'm going to save this file. Let us see here, I'm going to save this file. Okay, I'm going to save in my computer. Let us consider I'm going to save in the desktop. I'm going to give the name as dummy photo. Okay, now I'm going to save it. Now if you observe here, what is the size? 21.6 KB is the size. If you want to further reduce the size, click on resize, click on pixels, remove this one. This is very important. Remove this maintain aspect ratio. Now you can able to reduce the, okay, horizontal and this vertical one. Now you can able to observe, after click on OK, now you can able to reduce it. Okay, now after, if you observe that the size is 21.6 KB, after saving it, see here, I'm going to save this here. Okay, I'm going to save this. Is it clear? Now if you observe very important point here, okay, after saving this, save it. Now you can observe that the size is reduced to 10.6 KB. Is it clear? In this way you can able to add the name and your date in the photograph, and also you can able to resize the photograph with the help of Paint. Is it okay? Thank you very much for each and everyone. Have a nice day. If you are having any queries, then please you can please comment. Okay, thank you very much for each and everyone. Have a nice day.